Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. And my name is Hendrawan. I'm from Biology Education in Malang State University, and my lecture is Miss Rifka. So, I want to explain about my article. First, I want to explain about fungi. What is fungi? Fungi are plants that do not have chlorophyll, so that they are heterotroph. Fungi are unicellular and multicellular. The characteristic of fungi 1. Have cell wall. So the fungi is called of plants. 2. Generally not moving. 3. Do not have chlorophyll. 4. Unable to carry out photosynthesis. The nature of fungi's life. 1. Saprophyte. Because they live from dead organic matters. Saprophyte destroy the complex remnants of animal and plants material to be simpler. So fungi can be called to be composer. 2. Parasite. Because they absorb organic matter from living organisms. Fungi can be parasite obligate and parasite facultative. 3. Symbiotism. Because it can symbiotic with other organisms. That is explain about fungi. After we understand about fungi, I will be explain about the article that I resumed. The title is Fearless that invasive fungi will completely wipe out Hawaii's iconic native tree. So why did I explain the definition of fungi at the beginning of opening? Because the title of the article I resumed was have some relations to fungi and its nature. 4 years ago, invasive fungi began to kill Ohio on the island of Hawaii. By now, the plague has spread across 800 square kilometers. The news got worse in May, when dying trees test positive for the fungus on the neighboring islands of Kauai. Feeling fears that rapid Ohio deaths, or ROD, will span to states, but now a real survey and studies on land and in the lab now suggest that some Ohio will be survived. The killer fungus turn out to be two distantly related species. One of them less deadly to Ohio, and some trees seem to have a native resistance to be strains. Management practices such as fencing out animals also appear to slow the spread of the fungi predicts flames. Management practices such as fencing out animals also appear to slow the spread of the fungus, predicts Flans Haggis in Hilo, who is coordinating ROD research at annual Hawaiian Conservation Conference in Honolulu from 24 to 26 July. Lisa Kate, a researcher, plants pathologist with the U.S. Department of Agricultural Research Service in Hilo. Describe key difference between the two Ohio killers. 1. Ceratocystis leuco-ohia, which lay trees in the wake by clogging their circulatory systems, and and 2. Ceratocystis hulii-ohia, which cause canker sores and seamless deadly. Related fungi cause rot in sweet potatoes and pineapples and affect cacao and mango trees, among other plants. Kate's genetic studies determines that the Ohia deadliner who comes from Latin America, whereas the less aggressive fungi, which is affecting trees and kawaii, may have been imported from Asia or Australia. Aerial drone surveys confirm the lab findings as is from the past several years. Ryan Peroy and Timo Sullivan from the University of Hawaii in Hilo have flown camera above treetops in 4-hectare sites on the islands. The progress of the disease is easy to track in the drone's image. Affected trees turn dark red, then silver gray, or they die. Largest trees seem most susceptible, possibly because they are more injury prone and profits a greater target from winterburns are more winterburns so thus scoring the pathogens. Gregory Asner, ecologist with the Carnegie Institutions of Science in Palo Alto, California, has seen the same pattern in aircraft survey of Hawaii Islands. He detected the early signs of the blanks with ends of on-board spectrometer sensitive to change in Ohio leaf water, sugar, and the defensive chemical contents. By overlaying that on land use map, Asner says he too has turned up some really strong evidence that feral animals are spreading the fungus, again by wounding trees and making them more susceptible to infections. Domestic livestock can also do damage. Studies on the ground provide further support. The result of the field studies show the protected trees were healthier. Another Hawaiian icon, the Kilauea volcano, may aid the Ohia. Ohia is always the first and often the only tree to get a full hot in the such landscape. So thus new lava flow will give Ohia chance recover. To answer the question from Roman. The question is why can lava recover Ohia? According to me, why can lava recover Ohia? Because Ohia is one plant that can survive and thrive in extreme environment, and maybe Ohia have something that can make it survive in extreme environment. So that is my answer. So that's I can the best I can do it. So I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.